Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best car GPS dash camera that ensures safety, clarity, and convenience on every drive. If you want next-level vehicle monitoring, stay tuned. Let's get started. Product features: fast and seamless data transfer. The Red Tiger A4 dashcam features 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing for ultra-fast and stable footage transfer. Using the Red Tiger app, you can easily download and review recordings straight to your smartphone. Quick, easy, and efficient. Superior video quality. Capture the road in ultra-clear detail with a 4K front camera and 1080p rear camera. This dual setup ensures you don't miss a thing. License plates, signs, or potential hazards, all recorded in crisp, high-definition quality. Enhanced night vision. Driving in the dark? No problem. The Super Night Vision tech delivers sharp and bright video even in low-light conditions. It's designed to ensure clear, reliable footage during nighttime or underground parking situations. 24-hour parking monitoring. The Red Tiger A4 never sleeps. It provides around-the-clock protection, automatically recording suspicious movements or incidents while your car is parked, an ideal guard for overnight safety or busy parking areas. Automatic collision detection. In the event of an accident, the built-in G sensor automatically locks and saves footage from the collision. This prevents the data from being overwritten and helps provide crucial evidence for insurance claims or disputes. Accurate GPS tracking. Track every journey with pinpoint precision. The integrated GPS records your routes, locations, and speeds, useful for trip history, navigation, or verifying driving records for personal or professional use. Uninterrupted loop recording. Never worry about running out of storage. Loop recording automatically overwrites older, unnecessary footage so the camera keeps running non-stop. It ensures you're always ready to capture unexpected moments. Pros: 4K front plus 1080p rear cameras for unmatched clarity. Hands-free voice control for safer driving. 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi plus app integration for easy file access. Excellent night vision for low-light driving. 24-hour surveillance even when parked. GPS tracking for route logging. Seamless loop recording system. Compact and stylish design with user-friendly UI. Cons: requires a high-speed SD card for optimal performance. Installation may need a hardwire kit for full parking mode. Some voice commands may need clear pronunciation to activate. Advanced features may take time for new users to explore fully. Final thoughts. The Red Tiger A4 car GPS dash camera is a smart investment for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's safety and capture every drive in high detail. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or parked overnight, it's always watching out for you. Your car deserves next-level protection, and this camera delivers it. Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Product and like this video if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.